Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads, sleek interior looks, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, LED headlights. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.